Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to join a WhatsApp group using Invite a Link. To join a WhatsApp group with a link is very simple. First, they have to share the link with us through a chat, email, or similar. Afterwards, if they send us the link through WhatsApp, we can click directly on it, and we will see that it opens the option to join. If we have the link copied into another application, we can copy and paste it into a browser so that the WhatsApp app opens and we can join. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We can click directly from the browser on the Join Chat option and WhatsApp will open. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.